Hey, hey you, remember, do something you enjoy today. Do it. Today I'm going to make a Dutch baby. A Dutch baby is an American recipe based around German food and has nothing to do with the Dutch. It's basically a pancake you make in the oven, and you can either use a cast iron pan, an oven dish, or a pan you can use in the oven. Since my cast iron pan is small, rusty and dirty, I'll be using an oven dish today. The first step in making this baby is to turn your oven on at 220 degrees Celsius or 428 degrees Fahrenheit. And then you want to put your oven dish in the oven so it can heat up with the oven itself. While your oven is heating up, grab a bowl and add to it 3 medium eggs, add 140 milliliters or 2/3 cup of milk, 80 grams or 2/3 cup of flour, a pinch of salt, and about 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar. If you don't have vanilla sugar, you can use normal sugar and add a little bit of vanilla extract. Mix everything together till a smooth batter. Did you know that in many different countries, pancakes are eaten with various toppings? In Austria, for example, they are usually filled with apricot jam, but are also known to have chocolate sauce or hazelnut spread. Scandinavian pancakes are traditionally served with jam or ice cream or whipped cream. Indonesian pancakes usually have cheese or jam or bean paste. In Ethiopia, they can be served with meat sauce, vegetables, and cooked eggs. In Hungary, sweet wine can also be added to the batter. When your oven is hot, take out your hot dish, and add about half a teaspoon of butter to it. You'll want to coat your pan with a little bit of butter. Be careful not to burn your fingers. After you have done so, you can add your batter to your pan. I am not sure how much the baby will rise in the oven, so I'm not using all my batter. I think this will be enough. Put your baby in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. So it has been 15 minutes since my baby went in the oven. There you go. They grow up so fast. If you want to put your baby in the oven for 20 minutes, make sure it's low in the oven, because mine almost burned at the top here. You can decorate your baby when it's out of the oven with fresh fruit, or you can use ice cream or whipped cream or anything you like actually. I'm using fresh strawberries for this. And I also have molten a little bit of milk chocolate on a low fire. And there you go. A Dutch baby, fresh from the oven. Alright, my baby has cooled down a bit and deflated a little bit, but that's okay, that's to be expected. Let's see how it tastes like. How am I going to eat this? Ooh, it's very soft. Right. A little bit of chocolate and strawberry. Let's have a bit of the pancake itself. A nice, soft, slightly sweet vanilla pancake. The warm strawberries with chocolate really add a lot to this flavor. So if you make this yourself, you should really try some chocolate and strawberries. It's very nice. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.